Now we're looking to fine tune our offer, and I start going through the T12s, which is nothing more than an income statement or a financial statement, right? And we see this. There's a big chunk of $12,000 under other income from 4 months ago, and a T12 simply means, rather than being a January to December income statement, it's going to be from the last month they had one back 12 months total. So it's a trailing 12, meaning it's up-to-date financials, which is very important because of the health of an apartment complex, just like a business, can go up and down. So you're looking for that story that tells you that it's going up. And if it's not going up, you want a story why, right? So anyways, I look at it, there's a $12,000 jump. And I says, well, what's that $12,000? Assuming my team had asked that question. And they did not ask that question. So we asked that question. Come to find out that they were part, and the owner very proudly responded to the email from the broker. We're going through the broker now. And he says, well, don't you know, we were the first ones to participate in the renovation, what do you call it? The renovation reimbursement program for the state of Nevada. And we got $3,000 reimbursed to us for 4 units that we had renovated. We just showed receipts. Well, don't you know that's not income? That's CapEx reimbursement and should be below the net operating income line. That doesn't count as income. That counts as CapEx. So let me grab a calculator right here, just so you can put that in perspective. $12,000 divided by a 6 cap is $200,000 in value. And he's asking us, now, if you want to get technical, that $200,000 of income might have, that $12,000 of income might have a little bit of expenses, but usually like a little bit more water bill, right? A little bit more sewer bill, a little bit more this and that, but generally the same manager is going to do it. So payroll is going to be the same. Maintenance costs are going to be roughly the same. It's not going to change it significantly. So you could say that 12,000 after expenses is maybe 9,000. Okay, if I divide that by a 6 cap, it's still 150 grand in value for that apartment complex. So we've overvalued it in our underwriting based upon a wrong inputted number that should have been asked for deeper by my team. I was very surprised, to be honest with you. And he's asking us to go up in price. And actually, we found $150,000 to be lower in price. We called it 200K. So we're still working through those details now.